Oh, oh, it's a big one. All right, look at that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish. What a freak. Oh my God, yeah. Look at that. Catching breeders today. What's up, guys? We are here ready to do some fishing. We've got this new thing, this new fun thing that we've got, and it comes in this bag. And this is what, a Zodiac dinghy. And my mom went to an estate sale and got this for what, 30 bucks? And we're gonna pull her out, test it, try and catch some fish on it. And that's the whole boat. That's crazy. Let me strap this thing to my chest and I can help.
There, he's got one.
That's good. This nice fella out here says they're just killing them today. That makes me happy. There it is, the dinghy. How cool is this? I love it. That is it. That's half.
Wow.
Then we can do this side. And good.
That'll do her. Oh yeah.
And that's it. Boat ready to go. Came out of the car in the back seat. Boom, boat. I gotta grab the seat.
Oh, we're gonna blow it up, huh?
Yeah, the seat.
I get the oar.
My life vest. Because stay safe, people. We're like that.
It's got oars, it's got oar pockets.
This is our inflatable seat.
I guess these go back.
All right. Chair. Oh, it's light.
Oh, it is light.
All right. Ha-ha! We are waterborne. Nope. We're not leaking. I'm rowing. I'm gonna try standing up. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I mean, Steph. Yep. Yeah, I'm moving pretty quick. Wow, the wind really pushes you in quick. Really fast. That's crazy. That's all right. We'll just sit here and fish along the bank. Cage goes in the water. You'll go in the water. Trout's in the water. Our trout. Farewell and adieu to ye sweet Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to ye ladies of Spain. There's one. Oh, I've lost him. Got one finally. There's one. Nice. Heh. From the dinghy.
Buddy, you just need to calm down. Calm down. Just calm down. Whip my hands. Just whip my hands. Yeah. There we go. That's a nice fish. Pretty one. There he goes. There's one. Number 2. There he goes.
Nice. Nice. There's one. Nice. On the boat. Let me get my hemos. All right. Another trout.
Yeah, I'm ready when you are.
There's one. Nice trout. I might tie on a homemade fly and put it under the bobber here and see what happens. Trying to make his way under the boat. Pretty spots though. All right, homemade little bug here. Is that a big one? Oh my God! No!
I horsed him.
Damn it. That was a big fish. I could see it from here. Oh, I got one too. Got my homemade bug.
Yes. Get him! Get him!
Yes! Yeah, all right. It's a decent fish too. There we go. Homemade bug. Bringing forth very slippery trout.
Man, was that a big fish? I had to hold it.
Oh, I could see it from here. It was huge. Man, I can't keep a hold of this thing. All right, there we go. On the homemade fly. Awesome. Woohoo! Nice. Yeah.
Another fine weekend on the water with my son.
Nice.
tie.
Wow, what a jumper. Oh, my line is tangled like crazy around my reel there. I fixed it. Hey, look at him go. On the homemade fly. There's a nice shot of my homemade bug right in his mouth. I'd like to get that. There it is. Homemade bug right in his mouth. Nice. I love seeing that. Need it.
Yeah.
No chance of gut hooking them.
Now this is nice that they actually, yeah, there you go.
Yes.
Actually, it is, literally.
Hey, have a good one, Jeff. Another one on the homemade fly. Love it. Yeah. You got a minnow? Oh, we're just killing them.
Yeah.
What do you got on minnow still? Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Get him, Tyler.
Oh, he popped it off.
That was probably good under here.
Yeah, oh, that was cool.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice fish.
I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, my.
Keep that net, baby.
Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah.
There we had him.
Wow. What a frick. Oh, my
yes.
God. Yeah. Beautiful. Woo. Nice.
Thank you.
Mwah. Congrats. What
Thank
a
you.
pig. That's one worth jumping out of the boat for. Oh, oh, it's a big one. It's in here somewhere. Oh, I got your line wrapped up on it.
Still?
I don't know. Nope. Okay, we're good. He freaking took off with it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, that's a good one. Patience.
Yep.
I got it. I fucking wait to get him, so don't you worry. Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Whoo, dog, what a big one.
Foul hook?
Yep.
Dorsal.
They got him right in the side somehow.
It's all right.
Probably swiped at it. Had to have.
Hold my head.
When we were fishing with a bobber in the lake, you can't really
Right.
snag them that way. Might be a little smaller.
Definitely foul hook.
Oh yeah, for sure.
This would be ideal right here. Keep my brush. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm wet. Right on here.
Didn't like getting that.
That side?
Yes. Yeah. Wow. Woo, folks. Holy cannoli. Yes. Look at that.
On your dinghy.
Got it?
Yep.
All right. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish. Back you go.
Let's lower that.
You got a big one? Coming! Yeah. Hi, puppy.
Look at that one.
Oh, dude, that looks like the one I just pulled out a second ago.
Yeah.
Logan Reeve down here on the fly pole. What do you got on there?
Pilot rig.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that hog.
Woo. It's a nice fish, Logan. Congratulations.
Thanks, folks. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Look at that. Catching breeders today.
Ready? Yes!
Good job, bud.
Yes!
Boom. Boat loaded.
Oh yeah. I don't know how many we've caught today, but it's been a pile.
Oh boy, yeah.
We've caught a bunch.
Get him, Tyler.
Another one on. Look at that, the homemade fly tied right in his mouth. Just crushing this thing today. Jumper.
Still on that fly.
Yep. Just crushing that fly.
That's the one we put under. That's the big.
Yeah. Just killing this little thing. Just killing it. It's even all muddy. Yep.
One last one before we leave on the last cast. Oh, and it jumps onto the back. Thank you.
What's up, Trout Chasers? That kind of day just speaks for itself. Insanity! Fish after fish after fish, and some of them were huge. And that's the kind of stuff I love bringing to you guys, love showing to you as content. And our good buddy Logan Reeb even stopped out and ended up getting on the video. We didn't plan that, it just happened. And that's how these wonderful things usually go. You can't plan them, they just happen. I love every second that you guys spend watching my videos. It makes me so happy. So if you guys could please continue to do that, and then if you would share and subscribe and all of that stuff, it really, really means the world to me. I'm having so much fun. I hope you guys are having so much fun watching them. Until next time, fish out.